Okay, this is Dr. Williamson. I'm going to solve another limiting reactant problem. This one says, what is the percent yield of aluminum sulfate when 15 grams of aluminum hydroxide, by the way, that's AlOH3 with a subscript, when this is mixed with 15 grams of sulfuric acid, H2SO4. That's what that means. And 5 grams of Al2SO4 are recovered. So what I have to do is first find out which one is the limiting reactant. So if I have here 15 grams of AlOH3 times 1 mole of that, and that happens to weigh 78.003 grams times 1 mole of the AlOH3 right per I think I made a mistake there. 2 moles. See right here, that's 2 moles of the AlOH3. So let me change that with a 2 moles of that will make 1 mole of AlSO4 3 times 1 mole of that weighs 342.15 grams. And if I get my calculator out and use that, I will have here 15 divided by 78.003 divided by 2 times 342.15, and that will give me 32 point, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sig figs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 32.898 grams of the Al2SO4 3. Then I have here 15 grams of sulfuric acid, H2SO4, times 1 mole of the sulfuric acid is 98.079 grams, 9 grams, times, for every 3 moles of sulfuric acid, you will get 1 mole of that. So for every 3 moles, pardon my penmanship, but hey, I'm solving problems for you guys. 3 moles of sulfuric acid to 1 mole of, that's supposed to be Al2. I forgot my 2 right there. To 1 mole, oh, excuse me, 1 mole of Al2 SO4 3 times, and then the molar mass is the same. 1 mole of that stuff is 342.15 grams. And when I'm done with that, I'm going to go 15 divided by 98.079 divided by 3 times 342.15. I got 17.44. Let me double check one more time. 15 divided by 98.079 divided by 3 times 342.15. And that gives me here 17.443 for 3 grams of the same stuff. So for the limiting reactant, my limiting reactant is the sulfuric acid. And my theoretical yield is 17.443 grams of aluminum sulfate. Okay. And you calculate the percent yield. I'll just call it percent Y. That's going to be actual. The actual is 5.001 grams. That's the actual. I told you guys, whenever you read a problem, if it says a certain number of grams are recovered or produced or weighed, that's your actual. The theoretical is what you calculated, 17.443 grams times exactly 100. And that will give me 5.001 divided by 17.443 times 100. And I get to 4 sig figs 28.67%. And that will be my answer. The limiting reactant is the sulfuric acid, the 15 grams of sulfuric acid. And the theoretical yield is the 17.443 grams of Al2SO4 3. And then I took my actual, which is, let's see here. Here's my actual. Put it right there. Took my theoretical. Put it right there. And then I got 28.67%. Okay, I hope that helps.